Hi everyone, my name is Laura. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, well, I do makeup tutorials. If you're not, thank you for coming back. Today we're gonna do, I don't know what it is exactly, but it's like a Frankenstein woman glam makeup. I've been inspired by several makeups on Instagram and social media, so you've probably seen that kind of makeup, like the same style. It is not that complicated. You do need a bit of time to perfect it, especially for the scar, which is on the face, and also the paint. It depends on what kind of paint you have, but it can be hard to blend sometimes. So I would advise you to get some water-activated paint. Anyway, let's get right into the tutorial. Hey there, this is Laura from the future, and it's quite a sad Laura because I realized while I was actually editing the video that I've lost a lot of footage, and it was the footage from the first part of the makeup. So I'm a bit sad. It happens. It was a mistake. I deleted it from my SD card, so I wasn't able to recover it. Anyway, it's okay because actually what you miss is the part where I paint my face in green, which I show sometimes on other tutorials too. So if you definitely want to see that, maybe you can watch my witch tutorial, for example, or other, the Bloody Mary ones, for example. Anyway, I will list all the products that I've used in the description box, so you can actually browse and see what products you need that I haven't shown in the footage that I actually have. So what you will see on my eye, which is already done on the part where the tutorial begins, as for now, it's going to be fine because actually I'm doing the same thing on the other side of my face. So you're not going to miss a lot of footage. Anyway, I'm really sorry and I hope you guys love this tutorial anyway. Okay, so let's hit pause for a second so I can explain what's happening. I began by painting half of my face in green with a sponge and a Crayolan green water activated paint. The key is to have a clean split between the two faces. Do not hesitate to clean the cut with a clean brush or a cotton swab. On the other side of my face, I applied my regular CC cream by Bourjois to unify my face. Then I contoured to add a 3D dimension to my face. I used a black eyeshadow on the green part to exaggerate the cheekbone and my temple. Same for the other side with a darker natural eyeshadow, as you would usually contour your face. I then highlighted the two parts of my face. For the green part, I took a white water-activated paint by Crayolan. I only highlighted my cheekbone, chin, and nose bridge. For the natural part of my face, I took a white shimmery shadow. For the eye part, let's watch the video. I am first going to take a black eyeshadow from the Smoky Eye palette and use it as a base for my cut crease. I'm putting it in the crease of my eye, also doing an outside wing and an inner wing also. The goal is really to exaggerate my eye shape and make it bigger. And I'm also going to put it below my lashes. To make my cut crease, I'm going to use a white paint. If you do not know where your lid and your crease are, you can use your lid and looking up to find a marking point. And then fill in the blanks and having a very clean cut between the eyeshadow and your paint. Then I'm going to take a white shimmery eyeshadow and putting it in exactly the same spot to fix my white paint. I'm using a black paint to do my eyeliner, but you can use any eyeliner you want. And then I'm going to wing it out, wing it in also, and putting it below my lashes as I did for the black eyeshadow. I'm taking a black pencil and putting it in my below waterline, but also my upper one. I'm then curling my lashes to make it more dramatic and preparing them for the mascara. For the mascara, I'm putting a generous coat just to make it more dramatic on my upper lashes, but also my below lashes. It's now time to go to the lips. I'm going to use a red matte lipstick and putting it with a pencil to have a very clean lip shape. To add more opacity to the makeup, I'm using the stick, and then again to have a very clean shape, I'm using the pencil to clean. Now let's skip to the cut. I'm using the same lipstick to use it for the separation of the Frankenstein face and the Glam face. The goal is to really have a clean cut, so do not hesitate to clean if you are messy. I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and using a darker shadow natural to use it as a shadow for the cut. So don't forget to blend it outwards, as it is very important to make it realistic. And try to keep the same space between the cut and the shadow for the whole cut. I am doing the exact same thing on the green side, so I'm using a dark green shadow and again using the same space between the cut and the shadow and blending it outwards. I'm now going to do the stitches, so I'm using a black paint. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but try to make it as realistic as you can. To add some more dimension, I decided to use a white paint and using it to highlight the center of my stitches. I'm also highlighting the high points of my cut on both sides. To add some more dimension, I'm using the black paint to deepen my scar, and I'm using it in the center of my cut. I'm also adding some shadows to the stitches where it penetrates the skin. There it is. I hope you guys like this makeup. If you did, be sure to thumbs up this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to ring the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. And you can also check out my Halloween playlist to be inspired by other Halloween makeup tutorials. Well, see you at the next tutorial. Bye!